Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are excited to share with you our experience at Nonnas in Pune. You can see the exact location on the screen. Nonnas is known for its original sourdough pizza and we were eager to try it out. The ambience here is really cozy and comfortable, perfect for a relaxed meal. Apart from the regular menu, they also have a special spot that shows the special items for the day. Since this was the first time at Nonnas, we took the restaurant staff's advice and ordered a pizza from the fresh out of Nonnas diary section. We ordered the ninth pizza on the menu and here's how it looked. Trust me, this is one of the best pizzas I've had to date. The ingredients, the pizza base, and the taste, everything was exquisite. We really enjoyed it despite it being a bit pricey. Next, we ordered a drink, and that was the iced coffee. The coffee was perfectly proportioned in sweet and bitter, and it felt like an authentic coffee. That's it, folks. We tried these two items only since the pizza was heavy and enough for 2 3 people. So we decided to stop and take back a load of delicious memories from this place. We would recommend you visiting this place and also trying out the Bites to Start section. It's restaurant recommended, and we'll surely try it next time too. Stay tuned for more such videos and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.